guys, today we're going to show you how to make momos. Now this is chicken here. Minced chicken. And then the other ingredients. The ingredients will be down on your screen. Going to show you it again. So this is what we're going to do. Put it in the chicken keema and then wrap it up, like just do a curve and like that. So that's how you do that. I'm just putting it a little bit closer so you can see. Then it will be done here. The rest of the momos like this. Okay, we're back. So now you'll need this kind of pan thingy. What is it called? It's a dish that you make momo in. So I don't really know what's the real name, but anyway. You want to turn up?